Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to say that I'm French. Sorry in advance if I'm doing mistakes in English, but I want to practice the language. So in this video, I will show to you my technique to draw a nose easily. So this is something I'm doing usually to have a great base. So from this, you can do every kind of noses in a cartoon version or not. It's really as you want. This is just a guideline for you. So for me, it's just an easy way to draw a nose in different positions. So I will show to you in front and the 3/4. So I really hope this video will be helpful for you. So let me know in comments. Don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram, to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like the content, of course. So let's draw and enjoy. So here it is. Here is the character I drew especially for this exercise. So it's just a sketch, of course. So here is the front version, and here is the 3/4 version that I was speaking about. So yes, for now it's looking like a bit of Voldemort, but we will fix that in a few minutes. So let me introduce my technique I do to do a nose quickly. So from this base we could draw every kind of nose shapes. So first we'll take this for the front, and we will create a new layer. So for the front, so I put the guideline and create a new layer. So the guideline below, it's have to know approximately where is the middle of the character. So the technique is to draw a straight line like that, and maybe a bit until there. Okay, so after that we create two other lines like that and like that, approximately. Just a sketch, you can do more bigger or not. Okay, like that. And after that you close it a bit like a diamond. Not sure if it's, no, it's not really the right word, but a bit like a diamond, like that. And we add two other lines there, here and here and here. Okay, it's a bit too big here. Okay, and here it is. We have our guideline. So you load the opacity, you create a new, and now let's create. Oh no, first I would like to show to you that you take this, you click select deform, and you can play a bit if you are not really happy with it. So it's really a tool, really important to know when you are drawing in digital art, because it's really helpful. So after that you return to the new layer and you start to create the nose. So from there, this is the sides of the nose, the borders, and after that you create, okay, like that, the nostrils here and here. You close it like that. Let's see. You can change until you are happy with it, like me. And okay, we can take it just like that. It's just an example. So after that you can close it here, or just a sketch, so it's just to guide yourself when you will color it or not. But so here it's more to give more shape. You can add also here maybe to add a bit of shape. This is only for you. So here like that. And now the final part is to join, to connect the eyebrows with the nose, approximately. So after that and how is it? Okay, these lines, it really depends. A lot of people don't put them. It's only It really depends on the style of drawing you are doing, but okay, it's just as a guide. And after that, you can also play with the guideline. You can play if you don't want them like that, for example. You can play really with a thin nose or with a bigger nose. No. In fact, from there, after that, you can play with a lot of different shape of the nose, and you know approximately where to put it. So you can just keep it like that, and after that, you can just also up. You can preform. You can bit more thin, more big. It's after that, it's as you want. So now let's do the 3/4. So the 3/4 is the same. So we take it, we put the guideline, and let's create a new layer. So for this one, we'll do like that, like that. Try to close it, and after that you close here and here. Okay, again you can choose to use the deform and selection to play if you want more big, little one, like that. You can do everything with digital art. So we don't need the guideline, load the opacity and create a new layer on top. And from this you can create the corners, the sides. Here nostrils and the corner. For example, you can just, I'm doing this shape, that you can just connect it like that. Let's try this. To give more a bit of shape, you can, here will be a bit of shadow, and here another nostrils or not. Depends. It really depends of the kind of drawing you want to do. So if you want, here it's more for the sketch, but if you want to know approximately where is the nose, I have a bit of lack of vocabulary. Okay, like that. And after that, again, you can play with different shape of nose. So if I delete that, let's do something like that maybe. You can really do a thin nose, a bigger nose, like that. After that, it's really, in fact, from this guideline you can do everything you want after that. So let's keep like that. Approximately you have two noses that you did with two guidelines, so this one and this one. and for me it's the best way, the most easy way to draw quickly a nose. Here it is for the two noses. I will show to you some example that I did recently for noses, for example here, also here, and here. This is the basic nose that I used the technique, and I tried different shapes like here. So thank you for watching. I hope that this video really helped you, and see you next time.